to the door handle item. Door handle item 223 and 224 and 225. As you see, these three items looks alike in appearance. The difference is for the handle part here. You will have the smaller one, the medium one, and the heavier one. And now we turn to the back to check the base of the handle. You will see we have 4-hole model and 2-hole model. To use this handle in the door, we connect 2 handles by a steel pin. The pin is 18.5 mm here, and it could be longer or shorter. You could choose the length depend on your door. Yes, for the package of this handle, we have a standard box like this, blue one. We have the picture on it and show you the color and the item code. And now I finished the live room here, and if you are interested in our items, you are most welcome to connect by email or by mobile. Thank you for your time.